Hey everybody, I had a message today from Jeff over at autorestmod.com. He was asking how we modified our drill bits for cleaning out plug weld holes. So I thought I'd go ahead and do a video and show everybody this little trick. We start out with this drill bit. I use the letter A, but whatever size plug weld you're doing, that's what size you want to use here. We're going to start with the regular bit that's already got the point on it, and we're going to take a Roll-Lock sander, about 120 grit, and just sand it completely flat. Don't go too fast. Don't apply a whole lot of pressure. We don't want to turn it blue. So just light pressure, make it flat, and what you're going to wind up with is this right here. So it's flat, and now it resembles very much like a figure 8. You can see that there. So after that part's done, then we're going to take the same Roll-Lock sander, and here's our cutting edge here, and here on the back side of the cutting edge, we're going to take the sander at a 45 degree and just start in the middle and work our way to the outside, and we're just going to clean that off. And what we're going to try to wind up with is the flat on the top. We want it to be about a 1/16 of an inch wide all the way across, and then everything else just falls right off. That gives you less surface area that's going to be sitting floating on top of paint. So if we've got two panels that are clamped together, ready to spot weld, ready to plug weld, and we can pre-paint them now to get maximum rust protection. Just before you go to do your plug welds, you can come in with this and then clean your epoxy primer out. And once we're done with that process, our bit's going to look just like this. You can see the 1/16 inch wide flat up at the top, and you've got a 45 degree bevel going off the back side. So as you're spinning, it'll go ahead and take the paint right out. And I've got a couple samples here. Get the drill ready. We've already done one here, but we've got some epoxy primered panels. Let's say you're doing pinch welds on the bottom of a rocker, bottom of a quarter panel, and you want to paint both sides on the inside before you weld them together. That'll give you maximum rust protection because everything's already covered. So you got your plug welds drilled where your pinch weld is, normally would be, and we're just going to come in here with that and just go ahead and spin inside that hole. And you're going to clean the paint right out. And that's all there is to that. And then that really advantageous because you can go ahead and put epoxy primer everywhere and then come in, clean the plug weld holes, weld it, and then just, leaves everything protected. Hope it helps everybody. Talk to you later.